Imported or uploaded bank and credit card transactions are presented to you in the import feed. You can jump straight into the import feed from the Quick Links box or through Accounts on the banking page. Imported transactions are raw records that contain the date, amount, and description from the bank. They are not a part of your actual financial records until the imported transaction has been booked, that is to say, categorized with the appropriate transaction type, property, and accounts. Booking your imported transactions is the most common action you will take in REI Hub. To begin, click Book next to one of your imported transactions. You will see the transaction details and choose whether you want to create a new booked transaction, split the imported transaction into multiple pieces, or ignore it. When creating a new transaction, the system will display a number of transaction types for you to choose from. Choose the type that matches the transaction, and the system will display the fields, such as the property and expense account, that you need to complete in order to accurately book the transaction. After it has been booked, it will be updated on the import feed. Click the View button to see the transaction details or to edit or undo the transaction. Undoing reverts it to unbooked status. You can also set up transaction matching rules to help you automate booking recurring transactions. Book it normally, then check the box to create a new transaction matching rule at the bottom. You can set up rules based on the transaction description or its specific amount. Rules can apply to just the current bank or credit card account or to transactions in all accounts. View and manage your transaction matching rules from the Rules page. The filter at the top of the import feed allows you to view transactions from a specific bank or credit card account or from all accounts. You can sort by the transaction status, such as booked, unbooked, or ignored, or click the filter button to also be able to filter by description, transaction amount, or date range. If you have multiple transactions that should all be booked in the exact same way, you can utilize the batch booking feature of the import feed. Click Batch Book in the upper right-hand corner. Choose your action, such as booking revenues, expenses, or ignoring transactions. Select the desired transactions, click Book, and provide any needed information to complete the transaction. Thank you for learning more about REI Hub and the import feed.